That'll wake you up in the morning. This is the first big voyage for the new Iron Bull trailer. We're going to the land of bald eagles and Yankees on a bit of a rescue mission. New 10,000 pound Warren winch installed as well, so we can winch a truck onto the deck. All right, let's go. Vinny's going to daycare. Are you excited? Come on. Beautiful sunrise, beautiful day out. So my buddy Mitch, you probably know him as the Golden Cummins, completely grenaded his drive shaft and transfer case in Fargo, North Dakota. I'm actually gonna go pick him up from Winnipeg, and we're gonna head south to Fargo, spend the night in Fargo, grab his truck, load the Golden Cummins up in the morning, and then head straight back to Saskatoon, where Superior Diesel Services in Saskatoon, a shop I actually used to work at, they're going to be doing the repair on the Golden Cummins. I don't know how guys drive around with their tow mirrors out if they're not towing. I am towing and it's still annoying. Like, it's better because I can see the trailer, but it just, I feel like it blocks so much of my side view out my windows, having those things stick out so far. Also, look at Vinny. Vinny is not used to getting up this early. He's like, what is going on? He is a lazy dog. See how this trailer's doing. Warm, not hot. I'm really excited to try this winch out. And we got some beef jerky and some milk. If you guys haven't had these, man, they're good. 26 grams of protein right there, 20 grams of protein for this. You know, it's all about the protein. Canada, there's basically two seasons. There's winter and construction season. Look at this nice red line we're going through right now. Oh, we're only 47 kilometers away. At least then I'll have some company. All right, we made it. How's it going, man?
Bro, let's go. We're going to get the Golden Cummins, man. It's been too damn long.
Yeah, I don't think you've seen it in what, like 5 weeks?
Over 5 weeks.
5 weeks?
Just imagine building the truck of your dreams, having it taken away for 5 weeks. You're gonna miss that shit,
yeah,
you know?
Yeah. And we get to use the new Iron Bull trailer for the first time too, which is gonna be sweet. You got your little e-scooter or what?
Oh yeah, dude. 103 miles an hour. You have to weigh 40 pounds though.
There he goes. He's gotta go get his bag. Okay, man. We need fuel and food.
Can go, bro.
But I need to save some room for Chipotle.
Chipotle, you mean Chick-fil-A, man?
Oh, is it Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A, dude.
Okay, well, either way, I haven't had it, so.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A, we don't have anywhere in Canada as far as I'm concerned.
Fuel light's on, 53 kilometers. Mitch is telling me that we are gonna hit a flying J right away.
Bro, we're good. We're gonna make it.
I never ever run my truck less than like 1/8 of a tank at the minimum, and we're almost right at empty. He says I just have to believe.
Bro, it's easy. Just gotta have faith, you know?
Okay, 40 kilometers till empty, coming in hot. Jesus
Easy.
Christ. These roads, man. Out of diesel.
System offline.
Prepay only? I guess you gotta do it inside maybe?
Yeah, we were trying to say it, bro.
Next stop, the border.
America.
Let's
go.
What do you think? Do we got anything illegal in here?
We definitely have no marijuana, so.
We don't have any marijuana.
Yeah, the sign said no marijuana, so we should be good, right?
This is the way I go, this one?
Yeah, just straight.
You know we're rolling up with those adrenaline off-road rock lights just glowing.
Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, you?
That's not.
Not so bad. That's what we say in Canada.
Are these Manitoba plates?
These are Saskatchewan plates.
Saskatchewan. Where you guys are from?
I'm from Saskatchewan. He's from Manitoba.
Why are you traveling together today?
Going to rescue my truck. It's in Fargo. It broke down there several weeks ago.
Okay.
And it broke down bad.
Like
Yeah.
bad, we got a trailer.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, they're fixing it in Saskatoon.
Yeah.
So
Anything to declare in the vehicle with you guys?
Nothing.
How long are you going to be in the U.S.?
come back tomorrow.
Yeah, like not even 24 hours.
All right. You guys are good to go. See
Awesome.
you later. Have fun.
Thank you very much.
America.
America. Yeah. Well, that was pretty easy.
Easy.
That guy didn't really care. That guy was actually super chill. Okay, what's next? Fargo?
Grand Forks.
But
No one cares about that though.
okay,
So
Fargo. So I just asked Mitch where we're staying tonight because he's in charge of the hotel, and he's like, "Oh, I guess I should get on Expedia."
Hey man, I mean, if you don't have anything booked, it means you can do whatever you want, right?
I guess
you book
so.
a place, you're like,
You're locked in.
you're locked in. Yeah, exactly.
So we're about 30 minutes out of Grand Forks, and this is right where Mitch's truck grenaded. He's feeling it right now.
So emotional, bro.
Truck's looking minty. Just had Chick-fil-A back there. Mitch really likes Chick-fil-A. That was my first time ever, and I thought it was mid, honestly.
Yo, he's shitting on Chick-fil-A right now. All your American subscribers are gonna be disappointed.
I don't think it was bad, but it wasn't like the hype, you know?
I mean, I don't really know, man. I thought it was great.
Yeah, dumb bitch. Guy, bring me back. I've been on doing twice already. Nice. Your legs on or what? Tires?
Yeah.
That's one light.
He's got cool lights, bro.
Here,
I
here.
want you cool lights.
What do you think of that, man?
Oh, there's red and blue.
Yeah.
Just wait.
I legal to red and blue on run.
Oh, we're good. We're parked.
Those, there we go.
Oh, no. I actually, oh, wow. Hey, can I put my hand there?
What do you think of that?
I want to buy it.
You want to buy it?
Oh, stop on rock. Damn near, bitch. Up in. I oh, another rock. I can't booty camp on top. My glasses are gone and gone.
You looking for John?
Yeah.
What do you got on your neck? Like, is that like flashlights? Oh, you got flashlights.
Yeah, flashlight.
Oh, yeah.
Doing good too, Brian. You're on somewhere. That's gone?
No, they're there. They're there. Yeah, right.
I hate when people doing shit in there. I had hard to make my back water. You're not doing it. You got the 410 horsepower. TRX. You see one to the team.
450 horsepower.
450?
1400 for you kick ass, man. 1400 horsepower stock.
Yeah, you got to get 1400 horsepower.
Yeah.
I'm going for
man,
1,000. I want to hit 1,000.
No, 14, man.
1400. Let's go,
1400.
baby.
In there.
He's a big thinker, bro. Yeah, 1,000's not enough. 1400.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, take her easy. Dude. Man, that guy was just mumbling.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to Fargo, North Dakota. That was the first thing we saw when we got to our hotel is
Welcome to Fargo.
tweaker John there. He's looking for buddy John, who I don't think is actually a real person.
Bro, he was like, he told you needed 1,400 horsepower, specifically 1,400.
Yeah, I told him I was going for 1,000 horsepower with the 5th gen, and he's like, no, 1,000 is good enough. You need 1,400. That's exactly what he said.
Magic number, baby.
Yeah.
Bro, you should hire him to read your dyno numbers in your videos.
Yeah, you would be so funny.
You just offer us meth, bro.
Yeah.
You just said meth.
He asked if we wanted the finer things in life, and he was talking about meth. This is the elevator.
Bro, honestly, I can't even fit through here if I tried, you know?
Okay, but it's got a pull stop, not a push.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to do that, bro. We might die in here. First class hotel, bro.
All right, let's check this out. Ooh, it smells like dirty sex in here, man. Home sweet home.
Well, nobody stole the gooseneck at least, eh?
No, breakfast of champions right here. Blueberry muffin,
Man,
some yogurt.
What if we came out this morning, that hobo from last night was just sleeping on the gooseneck or in the box of the truck? What was the highlight of everything he said, dude? The best thing he said? What did he say about, did he say halfway bitch or something?
He said halfway bitch. He said, and he was standing here and he's like, ow, trip on rock.
Dude, another thing about your truck, what's up with your center caps, bro?
Why? They're supposed to spin?
Nobody told you?
I'm not a child though. That doesn't impress me.
I think you should get a dark iron diesel logo at some point in there. You know, I know American Forest is the shit and everything, but that'd be cool. See how cool this fucking dirty 5th gen looks. Wait, you forgot me? You forgot me! It's time to pick up the motherfucking Golden Commons. Let's go. Oh, I'm excited. Are you excited too, bro?
I'm excited to see how tall it's going to be and make sure that we're not over the height limit.
Oh yeah, we're not exactly sure how tall this deck is. The truck's almost 10 feet tall, so we're gonna be close to the height limit, but
It's going to be okay.
everything's already illegal about the Golden Commons, so it doesn't really matter.
Mitch is so excited right now. Okay, look at the carnage of this truck here. Yeesh, look at that transfer case looking mint.
Man.
Look at that exhaust. It's almost like a 1-inch exhaust now. That is crazy. Tow rig is looking sexy though. Man. All right, first time using the new winch, new trailer. All right, I'm gonna go. I knew there was gonna be some like oil leakage, but like, I'm kind of just letting it sit here. Oh my good grief, man. So Mitch, you gotta say before we go, this is tradition. That ain't going anywhere.
It's good to me.
Look at this unit. Look at this trailer, the Iron Bull. I'm excited to see how this thing tows. And I thought we were gonna be overhanging more, but we're actually just right on the edge. We're overhanging a little bit on this side.
You know what that means?
What does that mean?
Truck's not wide enough, bro.
Not wide enough.
26 by 20s, bro.
Let's see you get up here. Climb up on the tire.
Easy, bro. Easy. Right.
Easy.
Hold on, bro. Let's pretend that never happened, okay?
No, that's going in the video for sure. Easy money. There you go. We're measuring right now to see how tall this thing is to make sure we're not over height. Is that a transfer case?
What is this doing, bro?
Metal.
Oh, then look at the drive shaft. It got reduced.
Just a little drive chode now. Okay, hold it right at the top. Oh, we're not even close, man. This is only 11 and a half feet.
Beauty.
We got so much room.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I think legal road height's like 14 feet and we're only 11 and a half. So we're good to go anywhere. All right, we are headed back to Canada with the Golden Cummins on the Iron Bull trailer. Hopefully she stays on there nice and tight. What do you think? I think it's gonna be fine.
We got an 11-hour scoot, bro. That's it. Light work.
Just a skip across the pond, right? All right, look what I just found at this gas station though. Pickled garlic. I'm pumped to try that. Have you ever tried it before?
You know what I have, bro? I fuck with it. I'll have some of that.
Okay, hold on. And of course, you know we gotta get the flavored chew because we can't get that in Canada. Pickled, we don't want to spill this all over the truck though.
Oh, he's
Holy
full,
fuck,
bro.
is it full?
You're gonna have to take a sip.
Oh, wow.
Sit up, lay down here, bro.
Here, bud.
Nice, bro.
You can already feel like your nose just clear up.
This, young man, is what puts hair on the chest.
You need a fork though. America pickled garlic.
I gotta go buy one. See you in a bit. I'm serious.
He's not joking. You got your pickled garlic?
Bro, we got more than just pickled garlic. We got pickled shrooms.
I want to try this pickled shrooms.
Oh, dude, I'm not trying that shit.
Pickled mushrooms.
Oh, dude, those look gross. Is that one even pickled?
Would you eat that? They're not it.
Well, at least we got pickled garlic
Oh,
times 2.
I don't really like those.
No?
Don't really like how they make me feel. So next stop is the border, and Mitch says we're gonna get searched because years and years ago you were in the States and what did you try to bring home?
Bro, this is how funny Canada is. I bought a clip for my 22 rifle. And I bought it from Cabela's and everything, you know? I was like, oh cool, I got a rifle at home, this will work for it. And then they're like, you got any guns? And I was like, no. And they searched me, they found this clip for 25
They
shots.
randomly searched you.
Yeah, they randomly searched me, found this clip for 25 shots. And they're like, this is prohibited in Canada. You're getting searched every single time you cross the border for the next 5 years.
And you know what the funny thing is? You can go to Cabela's in Canada and buy a 100-round drum clip for a 22. Like, it's not like you can buy a 25-round magazine in Canada, like for a 22.
You know what it was, bro? It's because mine was a Ruger 22, and apparently you can't buy a 25-shot clip for a Ruger, but then a different brand of 22, you can buy a 100-round drum mag.
So stupid.
Canada in a nutshell right there.
This is definitely the smallest border crossing I've ever been to.
I got 2 employees.
We got to get through here. Like, that's not very wide. This is sketchy. I gotta put the camera down. And here's the Canadian one. How am I supposed to get the truck through there? I guess, Jesus.
Oh boy.
How's it going?
Good, you?
Or like small trucks or something?
Yeah. Smallest ones we could find, bro.
Oh, sorry, what happened?
That's his truck back there. It broke down, so we're just picking it up.
So is it like are you importing it for the first time? Or
It's
No.
Manitoba plated.
Oh, okay, so it's already like,
Yeah.
okay. Actually, when my one down back window, just oh, excuse me. You guys been arrested or convicted of anything before?
I mean, I don't know if you'd call it convicted, but I had purchased a clip for my 22, and they asked me if I had any firearms when I came across. I said no.
Yep.
And they found the clip, and apparently it was prohibited, so they flagged me for that.
Probably considered an extended mag or something like that. Or
But you can
Yeah.
buy a 25. You can buy a 100-round mag here.
I know.
Like, you try
that
drum
is
mags
weird.
for a
There must have
different
been
brand.
something weird about it. Okay.
Whole bunch of bullshit.
Mine came up clean though, right? I'm good.
All right, I appreciate you guys being truthful with me. You're good to go.
Awesome.
All right,
Thanks,
talk soon,
man.
guys.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Didn't get sick.
Oh, yeah, buddy. I'll be damned, bro. I'll be damned. It's the first time I crossed the border in the last 18 times that I didn't have to get searched, bro.
It's because you're with Kyle and they're just like, we're not gonna f around with this guy. He's got neck tattoos. He'll probably shoot us.
This guy's got some scary neck tattoos, boy. How about that shit? Back in the land of the shittiest roads. Oh, look at that. You guys see that over there? That little sign in the distance? Hold on, wait until we get a little bit closer. Bro, that sign right there, it means that you've entered the land of the shittiest roads you've ever fucking seen.
Why is there a...
What is that? A beluga?
A beluga whale. What does a beluga whale have to do with Manitoba?
Bro, Churchill, come on, bro.
I don't know.
The very north point of fucking Manitoba's got beluga whales, apparently.
Oh my god. Another stop. Fuel. We're in Davidson. Literally just down that road where all those white lights are. That's Fast Toys for Boys. That's where we got the Iron Bowl trailer from. So it's made it back home on its first journey. And it is towing so well, like really good. Let's see what Vinny's up to. Vinny! Hi, Vinny! Hi, Vinny! He's like, who's this? I don't care about you, Dad. There's a new guy in town. Hi, Vinny! Hi, bud! Hi!
Look at his little tail.
Hi, buddy! All right, today's the day. Mitch is super excited. Today you get to see how much money your truck's gonna cost to fix, eh? Are you excited?
You know what, bro? Sometimes the enjoyment of a truck, like, it's beyond money, you know? You know what this is like.
It's not all about the money. Mitch is gonna do a total breakdown on his channel about what's all gonna take to fix the Golden Cummins and how much it's gonna cost, and if he's gonna do a drop box 4x4 or just replace the transfer case. Not bad, backing up skills here. Superior Diesel, gonna do the work on it. All right, Mitch, you pumped?
Bro, I'm so fucking excited for this shit.
Start getting your rebuild done. Golden Cummins on a lift back there. My job is done. Thomas there at Superior Diesel, he's gonna fix you up.
Mission complete, bro.
You're gonna film the teardown a little bit and go over the cost on your channel. But yeah, our trip went really good. No hiccups. Iron Bowl, amazing trailer, worked great. Anything you want to say?
Bro, this thing rode like a dream. We had not a single issue.
No.
Now it's just a matter of time. The Golden Cummins 2.0 is gonna be here, baby.
And anyone that says you can't tow on 24x14s with 33s,
Hey.
you can tow on rubber bands.
Yeah, anyone who thinks that, they're tripping, bro. And they
Yeah.
clearly drive a Prius, so.
Yeah. All right, man.
See you later, brother.
Yeah, right on.
Thanks for
Good
everything,
luck
man.
with your truck.
Thank you, bro.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off.